So this is the second one of these that we've ordered. First one had no sound, no sticker on the foot. As you can see, this one's got no sticker on the foot. And there's no sound. Not on any of the, nothing at all. I'm convinced these are seconds or manufacturer rejects. You make up your own mind, but this is going back as well.
Pretty cute. Doesn't make any noise though.
So cute.
Federal Reserve could hike interest rates by 75 points next week. I'm John Scott.